Okay, today I'm gonna have a comparison of my brand new Hoover commercial. I just got it today. That's only here because of the because when I got it, the handle was missing a bolt. I didn't know that at that time, but still, I would have gotten it anyways. It said $10. $10. I go up to the guy. Is this worth $10? Is this for $5? He goes, yep. My dad broke the zipper literally in the store, so now it had with the bag, brand new, not even used. The bag just didn't stick. So that's my brand new Hoover commercial. Oh, and by the way, it's me, Nevin, the vacuum guy. And check out my other YouTube channel, Like a Boss 88, all capital letters. And now there is my Sanitarie. And it had the original bag on it, but I was sick of buying bags. So I said, let's do this. I used the door hinge, actually. On my other channel, I have a video on this vacuum. And what's on the floor right here is potato chips. I'll show you the bag. Where is it? Okay. Don't mind my filming because I haven't filmed in a while. Duct tape was the worst thing to use. Okay, here we go. Just emptied the bag on this, but look at what just happened. The bag just came undone, so that's good enough. Winner finishes the mess. Okay, there's a line of shame, which is normal. Oh my god. Okay, so here's the Hoover commercial. If you know what this ticking is when I turn it on, please let me know in the comment section below. Oh, the plug came out. I'm like, did this thing just die on me? Okay, let's plug back in. Let's see now. So that was the Hoover spit stuff everywhere. It did a decent job. I think it was a 50-50. They both did good, although the Sanitarie didn't spit anything. I would clean up with the Sanitarie, but I'm too lazy to do the bag. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Check out my other YouTube channel. Subscribe to that, please. Thank you.